Welcome to the Pricewise Insulation Tutorials. One of the best ways to keep your house warm and cozy is by insulating your underfloor. Today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that the professionals use to make your job as easy as possible. Did you know that 20% of your energy is lost through the floor? Installing underfloor insulation will not only help you save on your energy bills, but also helps keep the floor warm and stop drafts. For today's job, we've chosen to use Ortex Green Stuff. This product is great because it's non-itch, Australian made, and can be fastened straight to the floor joist, which means no strapping is required. The tools we'll be using for this job is a utility knife, staples, a hand tacker, and a battery-powered light. Before we begin, let's talk safety. To start off with, you're going to want to make sure that the power is turned off, and that if you have some old wiring, that you have that checked over by an electrician. I've also got with me some gloves and safety glasses to avoid hazards like nails, splinters, and other sharp objects under the floor. And I've also got a dust mask as it can get pretty dusty under there. Okay, so now we're under the floor, and as you can see, our access is quite tight. This brings us to our first recommendation, which is to work in pairs. This allows you to get your stock in quickly and also helps you get the job done a lot faster. Our next tip would be to start at the back of the house and work your way towards the entrance, because there's nothing worse than running out of stock and having to crawl all the way out again. Another thing we do is lay down a tarp or use the insulation packaging. This helps prevent our workspace and insulation from getting too dusty. When installing near electrical cables, don't staple into the floor joist, rather split the bat in half and fasten it to the underside of the floor. When installing the rolls, start by tacking the roll to both sides of the floor joists. Then continue to fasten on one side every 10 centimeters. After that, pull it tight and staple the other side. Okay, so we're all done here. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like more information, you can visit our website.